Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. There is an English for grade 4 and we are learning unit number 13 and its title is A Courageous Woman. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. And I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 3, we will learn today use of do, does and did as a question word, and we will cover up page number 106. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about the use of do as do, does and did. I hope, my dear students, you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn more about it. So our today's students' learning outcomes are respond to and ask simple questions starting with do, does and did. So today we are going to cover up this SLO. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Qasas, verse number 77, and do not desire corruption in the land. Indeed, Allah does not like corruptors. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala giving message through these beautiful words that we must be honest in our all affairs. What we are doing, so we must be honest. We should not think that this is not good for us or this is not like beneficial for us. So just we have to be honest in our all matters. So because why we should be honest? Because Allah Almighty does not like corruptors who lie or who deceive others. So Allah Almighty does not like such persons. Okay, so we have to be honest in all matters. So this is the word do and does. Yes, my dear students, so we are going to learn about these words. First of all, we are going to refresh our knowledge. When do we use simple present tense? So this is question for you, my dear students. Okay, excellent. So next question is there. When do you use simple past tense? Excellent job. I hope you have memorized. So it means we are going to discuss simple past and simple present tense. So see there when we use simple present tense. We use the simple present tense when an action happens regularly as a habit or a natural phenomena or universal truth. Yes, my dear students, we already discussed that. We know that there are 3 times and today we are going to discuss about simple present tense. So what is simple present tense? Simple present tense always shows action that happens on regular basis. That are our habits and we are doing such things regularly. So these are called simple present tense. So such time is called simple present tense, and simple present tense also shows universal truth also. That what is universal truth? Universal truth cannot be changed. It is a fact, okay, and fact also can be described in simple present tense. So what is simple past tense? We use simple past tense to indicate action that happened in the past time. It tells that action is completed or finished in the past. So keep remember, my dear students, so simple past tense always indicate the action that happened in the past time, and that time is past, have gone and we have done it. So this is called past time. So simple past time, and this is a completed or finished action. This is not means it is not going on, it has been completed. So this is called past time, and there is no time limit, my dear students. Keep remember, there is no time limit when it is completed, a while before, few days before, there is no time limit. Okay, so this is called simple past tense. So what we are learning today? Yes, our actual is that when a question is asked with the help of do, does, did, then we have to respond in the same way. So when the question is being asked with the help of these helping verbs, my dear students, keep remember which helping verbs? Do, does and did. Do, does is used to ask questions in simple present tense, while did is used to ask questions in simple past tense. So yes, my dear students, simple present tense. Now we have learned that what is simple present tense. Suppose we want to ask question from anyone and this question belongs to simple present tense. So how we will ask? So we need helping verb. So which helping verb we will use, my dear students? Yes, do and does we will use in simple present tense, and did we will use for simple past tense. So my dear students, keep remember, did is the second form, past form of do and does. So keep remember, okay. So let's see there is a question. Do you see clouds in the sky? So yes, my dear students, so do you see clouds in the sky? Good. So let's see what is response. Yes, I see clouds in the sky. So keep remember and try to judge in these examples, my dear students. I have there, do you see clouds in the sky? So what we have removed just in answer while responding? Yes, we have removed just do, and what we have put that yes. So yes, I see clouds in the sky. The other remaining sentence structure is same. So keep remember, so in the same sense we have to respond. If the question is in present tense, so we have to respond in present tense. If the question is in past tense, so then definitely we have to respond in past tense. Next question is there. Does mother cook food? Okay, so what do you see in the pic? Does mother cook food? Yes. Yes, mother cook food. So yes, this is the structure and so easy way. So same like that, if you want to put question, so also you can also put question to each other also in the class, okay, according to these sense. Did we look at the flowers? These are flowers, my dear students. So did we look? Okay, yes, we look at the flowers. Okay, if you want to that, no, if you are not looking, if you didn't look at the flowers, so you can also respond, no, we did not look at the flower. Okay, then we have to add did not. With did we will get, but here we are talking about questions, how we can make questions. Next example is there. Did you drink milk? So did you drink milk, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are drinking milk because it's good for our body, for our bones and teeth, especially, my dear students. Yes, I drank milk. Okay, so you can judge in this example that I have used when, because in question there is did. Okay, my dear students, one thing more I want to highlight there is did. So that's why our main verb we used as a first form, but when we are responding, so we have to use second form. Okay, we cannot use at a time same forms in the same sentence. Did is already second form, so that's why we have used as helping as a main verb first form, but while responding I changed there. You can judge. Yes, I drank milk. Okay, so these, in this way we can ask question and in this way we can respond also. So it's time to move towards activity. So yes, my dear teachers, make pair of students. One student will ask question and other partner will respond it according to the stance. Appreciate pair who performs the activity well. It is a simple activity, my dear teachers. You should get this activity in your class. You will make pair of students and one student will put question and other will have to respond according to the sentence. Okay, how, in which way the sentence structure is. Pause the video, perform this activity in class and then come back. Welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Good job, my dear students. So this is, and now it's time to an individual activity on page number 106. There is detail also, do, does and did. Okay, you can read that. A question that will be answered with a yes or no starts with do, does or did. The formation of these questions includes a subject, verb in a base form and the rest of the sentence. So you can see there also present and past, do and does we have to use in present and did we have to use in past. Subject I, you, we and they we have to use do, same like in present tense, and in does he, she, it. Okay, we have to use does. Other whole structure will remain the same. Okay, so now you have to do question number 8. Use do, does and did in your sentences. So this question you have to perform, you have to write in your notebooks, my dear teachers. Pause the video and get this question as a classwork. Excellent job, good job. I hope you have got, my dear students. So what's our homework for today? Write 10 sentences using do, does and did in interrogative sentences in your notebook. So this is your homework for today. And yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have covered today? Today we learned how we can change sentences in simple present and simple past into interrogative form with the use of do, does and did. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, respond to and ask simple questions starting with do, does and did. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have got about this SLO. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Till that, see you soon. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.